Hello, class. My name is Isa Martinez. Today is July July 5th, 2026. And this is my assigned prompt. Yeah, in this video I'm going to walk through my do while loop and that I'm using to collect the number of products from the user in order to populate the array of products. So, first of all, here is my do while loop, and first of all, to start right here, I declare an int called max size, and I assign it with -1. I'll explain why in just a second. Um, but here is the do while loop itself, right here. So yeah, it contains a try block that prompts the user for a number here, and then it assigns the max size with the next int from the user, and then if the max size is less than 0, it's gonna output this error message, uh, showing the user that the incorrect value was entered. And then I have two catch blocks here that are meant to handle exceptions. And then the while condition itself is right here. The max size is less than 0. And that completes the loop. So a do while loop is used here because in order to check the condition, max size must be assigned with input from the user. So a do while loop fits that order perfectly because it's always gonna do what's in this do block before checking the condition. A regular while loop is gonna check the condition before doing the first loop, so it has that potential to not allow it to run at all. What's after the while loop. So whereas a do while loop is going to guarantee that the code runs at least once. So that's kind of the purpose of the do while loop here. As you can see, the while condition here is max size is less than 0. So that means that the code in the do block is going to keep looping as long as that max size is negative. And so that's why we assign it in the beginning with a negative number. In this case, -1. So because max size is assigned inside the try block, it has the potential to throw an exception, and that might prevent max size from having a value to compare it with in the while condition. And in fact, Java won't let you do that. So you have to assign it with something if you're going to use a do while loop. So max size being assigned to -1 ensures that the while condition will fail to prevent this. So now we can go ahead and just run the program and enter the number of products you would like to add. Enter 0 if you don't wish to add products. So we're just going to go ahead and enter -3, like the prompt asks us to. And as you can see, it outputs the error message. It says incorrect value entered, and it reprompts for a number. So yeah, inputting -3, it assigns it to max size, and if the if statement returns true, and it causes that error message print out. Additionally, right, it skips those catch blocks, so that because no exception was thrown, right? So now let's try again with a character. We'll go with O. I've been doing that myself pretty often. Here, let's see. So now you can see it says incorrect data type entered. So inputting the letter O immediately throws that input mismatch exception because it doesn't match the data type that max size is expected to receive. So the catch block catches the exception, prints the error message, then clears that input buffer. So lastly, let's try a valid number, right? Let's just put the number 2. And as you can see, inputting the number 2 successfully moves the program to the next prompt, right? And so we can even just create the 2 the two products that it asked us for. We'll just say for $5.99, 1,001, and then because it was two products that we chose, we're gonna make the other one cleats. Um, yeah, and it prints out the two items that we just created. Yep. Um, that's pretty much it. Thank you for listening. Any feedback is much appreciated.